Programming an ABB industrial robot and working with S14 controller data files. This format stores robot programs configuration and operational data for ABB robotic systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these ABB robot controller files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the S14 file. I'll reveal it at the end. An S14 file contains configuration and program data for an ABB S4 series robot controller. Engineers and technicians use these files to load, backup, or transfer robot programs and system parameters. The file is critical for maintaining, troubleshooting, and deploying automated robotic systems in industrial manufacturing environments. The S14 format is a proprietary structured text or binary file containing specific parameters, motion instructions, rapid language, and system settings for the S4 controller. This design ensures data integrity and compatibility with ABB's hardware, allowing for precise and repeatable control of robotic arms and peripherals. System file recognition for S14 is optimized for ABB Robot Studio by ABB. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. Your essential first move: right-click the S14 file and choose Open With. If ABB Robot Studio is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. When a S14 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, using ABB Robot Studio. Install ABB Robot Studio, the official offline programming and simulation environment for ABB robots. Open the S14 file directly in Robot Studio to view robot program system configuration and motion paths. Robot Studio enables editing simulation and deployment back to physical robot controllers. Next, accessing through controller. Connect to the ABB robot controller using the Flex Pendant or RobotWare interface to access S14 files directly on the controller storage. Use the controller's file management functions to inspect, modify, or backup configuration files, maintaining system integrity during operations. Finally, contacting ABB support. For specialized S14 file scenarios, contact ABB Robotics Technical Support. They provide guidance on file format details, migration between controller versions, and troubleshooting configuration issues. ABB support contracts include access to controller documentation and engineering assistance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.